Hi guys, I just got a delivery from HelloFresh. This is my first time using HelloFresh, by the way. So I'm going to show you guys the meals I ordered and I'm going to tell you guys how much it cost. This is just for people like me who sometimes they're not sure what they want, and if you like trying different meals, this could be something you'd be interested in. Bear with me a moment and I will show you what's come in the mail. I just opened up the box and showed you guys what's in it. It comes with printouts of the meals I ordered, which I absolutely love. I think it's amazing that they've added this. As you can see, I got some Thai green style chicken curry. This is how the meal is supposed to look. On the back of the printout, you can see recipes on how to cook, and on the side you can see all the ingredients you're meant to have on it. I just feel like this is so helpful. I'm not sure what's in this one, so I just realised they all have numbers here, so I'm guessing 32 is ingredients for this one. You can see 32 over here. So these are ingredients for my monkfish, prawn and chorizo paella. That's what's in here. Finally, this big bag which says chilled goods inside, hot meat in the fridge, refrigerate on the same day as delivery. So I will be putting this in the fridge. Wow, this is amazing, guys. So it says there's 3 boxes for my friends. What about for me? It says £10 off your next 4 orders, and the first box costs nothing, which is amazing. I feel like I could be my own friend right now. I don't need this anymore. I will decide what I'm making for dinner and we can all make that together. I am super excited. I feel like since I've come back for uni, I haven't actually eaten proper food. I've been eating like takeouts, noodles. There was only one time I had spaghetti bolognese. That's like the only meal I've had. I'm always running back to Long to go eat like proper meal that my mom's cooked, which is so bad. So I need to cook. I used to order like a full bird and it was all peri, nice, delicious. And then I'll just have that with whatever I'm eating, like with rice or with, you know, noodles. I'm gonna go put these away and come back on screen to show you guys if I can make one of the meals look like this, like they do, and then I will give you my review so far on how fresh the ingredients are and how well they taste. How dare you think I can't cook? Made a mistake now. So you guys just saw me pour the rice into a separate pot. So I'm meant to fry the rice as well, and then I'm meant to create my own chicken stock with hot water and the mix they gave me, which you'll be seeing. Super, guys. I didn't do like an incredibly bad job. Thank God for that. You know, we're getting there. But we'll see. It says I have to bake it. I'm not sure about that. Well, I'll show you guys. We'll just keep going. We're experimenting here. If you're a man that doesn't know how to cook, well, today's the day you learn. I'm so good at this. I'm such a natural. this is what it's meant to look like and this is what it looks like. So I think I'm getting it. Ooh. So we're gonna boil this for a while and then eventually I could transfer it to the oven. Now, we're leaving this in here for about 20 minutes. 25 minutes actually. I have just washed the prawns and fish. Now that that is done, I am going to separate them. But first, I'm going to add some lemon because, I don't know, I just feel like seafood is always better than lemon. But I don't need too much just in case they say I need it again. I do like have lemons in the fridge, I just don't want to have to use my own stuff. I'm going by the rule, it's been 5 minutes according to my timer. Prawns, monkfish. It actually looks really fresh, that's something I am going to say. The fact that it's called Hello Fresh means everything's meant to be fresh, right? So I'm here thinking this fish better have been caught fresh this morning before they shipped it. And these prawns, they better have just been alive in a bag until I open the bag. If you guys want to know how fresh the ingredients are, I will let you know at the end of this video when I'm doing a full review and tasting of the food and letting you guys know if it's worth your money or not. The monkfish is meant to be super dry. It even says to pat it with kitchen paper. This is the remaining bite. I'm just gonna make this quick because my battery's about to die. The food, I would rate 7 out of 10. No, actually I rated an 8 out of 10 to be honest, because it was really good. The fish tasted really fresh, so did the prawns as well, which is good. But the reason why I'm rating it an 8 out of 10 was just because it didn't have as much season as I would like. But that's obviously just personal preference, so that's why it's getting an 8 for me. And another thing is, it took quite a while to make, which wasn't the whole point. Aside from that, the food was actually really good. I think it was the lemon that was a bit too strong for me. It did say put a whole lemon, and now that I think about it, a whole lemon in like a portion food for 2 people might be a bit much for someone that doesn't usually eat food with lemons. But if it's already in your taste palette, it might just be good for you. Rating Hello Fresh, I would say if you are going to shop from Hello Fresh, do it, but just get the recipes and cook your own food separately. The vegetables itself isn't that fresh. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. So is it worth it? Then probably. Depends on you. If you have the time to go out shopping, if you don't. Should I use it in the future? Definitely. But would it be a regular thing for me to use? Definitely not. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you want to see more, and like you can also comment other companies you want me to try. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one. Bye.